Sunshine, blue skies. Gotta cry. Millions of blues to cross crying.
Nahanap namin guys yung El Union. Naglakad lang kami ni Papa. At nakating Cebu kami ngayon. Sabi ni Kuya, pangalawang akasya along the way. Ayun yung pangalawang akasya guys. Okay din pala talaga dito guys.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, nag-update na siya.
Ada dito na yung bublik ko.
Mangga na yan pa eh. Ito lang ata. Saan po sir yung El Union?
Hindi, ba na ma'am?
Pababa po? Okay po, salamat po. Pababa daw dyan. Ito ata pa eh. Kuya, saan yung El Union?
Ayoko
Ah, ito.
na.
Thank you.
Punta ka na pag-ampang yan.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In this soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride. Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm.
Guys, nandito kami sa may float sa Menjen sa La Union. And magta-try kami ng fake ice cream. Sige, isa lang.
I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star. Crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club.
It's 7 a.m. guys. Ang dami ng tao nagsasurf. Nagsasurf na sila. Waiting sa wave. Picturean ko lang si sir. Ako nakapaglagay na sunscreen. Ako sombrero pa. Kanina to. Gusto ko ng puto. Ayan. Kutsinta ata yan. Parang gusto ko rin ng gato sombrero. Bagay pala sa akin. It's our third morning dito sa Charlie's Hangar Surf Hostel. Uwi na kami mamaya guys. At check out time 10:30. Tapos may mga dadaanan din. Sumama yung paa ko sa bato. Masakit. Pero namin sugat. Sana wala. And we're off guys. Pauwi na. But before we go home, dadaan muna kami sa Manawag Church to pray. And then babalik sa office nila Papa para ibalik din yung mga gamit. And then after that yun, mag-uwian na sa kanilang mga tahanan. Well, to wrap it up, ang ganda-ganda na naging experience ko dito sa La Union or LU. It's really great place. I would highly recommend for you to visit it. And just seeing this clear blue sky, nahihil talaga ako from all the anxiety, stress. Parang binibigyan niya ako ng clear vision. And sana kayo din na-inspire. Napaka-minimal lang nito kung iisipin nyo. But every time na nakikita ko siya, na-uplift kasi yung spirit ko. Parang ang galing-galing how God created everything. And you're able to see this wonderful and great picturesque view, di ba?